Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to calculate the amount of WPC louver panels required for a 10 feet by 10 feet wall. So let us get started. Step 1. Measure the wall area first. Consider a wall size of 10 feet by 10 feet. Height of wall 10 feet, length of wall 10 feet. So the area of wall shall be length into height 10 into 10 is equal to 100 square feet. Step 2. Estimate material cost. We will need to account for panels, fastener clips and corner profiles. Panels. The normal WPC wall panel size available in the market is 9 feet 6 inch by 6 inch. So area of one panel is equal to 9 feet 6 inch into 6 inch is equal to approximately 5 square feet. Number of panels required is equal to 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20 numbers. The price of one panel in the market is approximately 800 rupees. So total cost of panels for one wall shall be 800 into 20 is equal to 16,000 rupees. Fastener clips. For joining two wall panels, a fastener clip shall be required. On one panel, 3 clips shall be required. So number of clips required is equal to 20 into 3 is equal to 60. The price of one fastener clip in the market is 6 rupees. So total cost of fastener clips for one wall is equal to 6 into 60 is equal to 360 rupees. Corner profile. We have 2 corners here, so 2 number of corner profiles shall be required. The cost of one corner profile is equal to 400 rupees. So total cost of corner profile for one wall is equal to 2 into 400 is equal to 800 rupees. So total cost of material is equal to 16,000 plus 360 plus 800 is equal to 17,160 rupees. Add tool stackles, scaffolding, shifting and other miscellaneous expenses. Let us consider 400 rupees. Step 3. Labor cost. The labor rate for fixing WPC panels is between 25 to 35 rupees per square feet depending on your location. Let us consider a labor rate of 30 rupees per square feet. So the total cost of labor is equal to total wall area into labor rate per square feet. That is 100 into 30 is equal to 3000 rupees. Step 4. Calculate the total cost. Now add material, tool stackles and labor cost. That is 17,160 plus 400 plus 3000 is equal to 2560. Now add 15% overhead and profit in this amount, that is 2560 into 15% is equal to 3084. Total amount required for WPC wall paneling of 10 feet by 10 feet wall shall be 2560 plus 3084 is equal to 23,644 rupees. So the per square feet rate for WPC wall paneling shall be 23,644 divided by 100 is equal to 236 rupees. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.